This is in a manner that the government wants the opposition to stop with their peaceful protest because the statues no longer will be placed in a prominent position. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, yes, Amita, so that's exactly what Sabyasachi was telling us about, and this is a tweet of Jairam Ramesh, which we'll be reading out for our viewers. He says, and I quote verbatim, that the whole idea of the relocation and giving it a grandiose name is to ensure that the statues of Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Ambedkar are not in a prominent place right in front of the Parliament House where MPs could hold peaceful and democratic protests as and when required. And with the Modi regime, they say that they are required to frequently and almost on a daily basis try to somehow curb the voice of the opposition. So that's the allegation which is coming from the side of Jairam Ramesh. He's responded and also tweeted, that circular of the Lok Sabha Secretariat. Basically, in sum and summation, Congress attacking the centre, saying that the relocation is going to affect the protests, and that's basically to ensure that, a prominent place where the MPs used to conduct peaceful and democratic protests, from there the statues are being removed.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you for that update. So, Sabyasachi, coming back to you on that, what is being said that the inauguration of this new Prerna Sthal, that will be taking place tomorrow. What exactly is this Prerna Sthal?
Well, absolutely. See, the Prerna Sthal inauguration, which would be taking place tomorrow. See, at this particular Prerna Sthal, if you talk about the statues of all the great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, as well as Chhatrapati Shivaji will be placed. Now, this particular move has been done by the central government, looking that if the visitors who used to visit the parliament before, they were not able to see the statue properly because of the statue being placed at different locations. So, bringing all these statues together will enable the visitors to see all the statues of these great leaders at one particular place and get inspired from it. So this is the justification which the central government has given behind the Prerna Sthal. We had seen that right the moment when the statues were relocated, the opposition parties continuously raised voices against it, stating that this is another undemocratic move by the central government, and this particular move definitely has not gone down well with the opposition party, because time and again we are seeing that whenever the opposition party were not satisfied with the central government, they decided to carry out a protest, a united opposition. They always chose the Mahatma Gandhi statue, where in front of the statue they carried out their protest. They have been alleging that the central government, in order to stop that, have reallocated the statue to Prerna Sthal, which will be inaugurated tomorrow.
All right. So the inauguration that is now expected to take place tomorrow, but on the other side, the opposition has been saying that this is a deliberate move when it comes to removing the iconic statues of Mahatma Gandhi, of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, saying that this is a step that the government wants to disallow the opposition from conducting peaceful protests, because they were iconic landmarks when it comes to holding democratic and peaceful protests just before the beginning of any Parliament session. And if those statues are removed, then that would lose its identity as far as the opposition, who time and again has been holding their protest. Now, as far as this Prerna Sthal is concerned, it will be tomorrow when the inauguration that will be taking place on part of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. But the opposition has already been voicing its concerns when it comes to the movement of certain statues of prominent personalities, including that of Mahatma Gandhi and also of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, saying that that's area which is earmarked area inside the parliament where key statues that have been placed, it would rather disrupt or rather take away the identity of the opposition protests that they have been taking place. The criticism that is now coming in from the opposition, which they call it as a step towards de-democratizing the parliament.
खीज साहब लोगों की ऐसी बढ़ी कि उन्होंने संसद के परिसर में बापू महात्मा गांधी जी का जो स्टैच्यू है, वीर शिरोमणि शिवाजी महाराज, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का स्टैच्यू, बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अंबेडकर का स्टैच्यू, ये तमाम स्टैच्यू वहां से हटा दिए गए। खींच किस बात की है? पीड़ा इस बात की है कि ये जो वन नेशन वन रीइंकारनेशन, वन नेशन वन गॉड जो बनना चाह रहे थे, एक देश एक भगवान खुद जो बनना चाह रहे थे, उन्होंने कहा बीच चुनाव के कि महात्मा गांधी को तो कोई जानता ही नहीं था जब तक पिक्चर नहीं आई। लोगों ने जवाब दिया 4 जून को, करारा जवाब दिया।
दिनेश शर्मा जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ रहे हैं। सर नमस्कार, आप क्या कहेंगे जहां तक अगर स्टैच्यूज को हटाने की अगर बात की जा रही है, उन्हें पूरी तरह से हटाया नहीं जा रहा है, उन्हें रीलोकेट किया जा रहा है और उसी को लेकर विपक्ष सवाल उठा रहा है कि आखिरकार इसके पीछे वजह क्या है, क्यों किया जा रहा है? क्योंकि वो एक स्थल था जहां पे वो प्रोटेस्ट करते थे, जहां पे वो विरोध प्रदर्शन करते थे।
देखिए, ये विपक्ष केवल स्टंट बनाना जानता है। वो केवल नेहरू जी को और इंदिरा जी को, राजीव जी तक का सीमित है कांग्रेस। उसको गांधी जी और अंबेडकर जी याद नहीं आते हैं। अंबेडकर जी को 2-2 बार चुनाव हराने वाली कांग्रेस वो नहीं जानती कि अंबेडकर जी को पंचतीर्थ बनाने वाले मोदी जी अंबेडकर जी के प्रति क्या सम्मान रखते हैं। वो प्रेरणा स्थल बन जाएगा अगर पूरा, और उसमें एक सम्मानित तरीके से सब लोग एक साथ में हमारे सारे राजनेता आ जाएंगे, तो निश्चित रूप में उनकी स्तुति का इससे अच्छा स्थल कोई दूसरा नहीं होगा। लेकिन ये वही लोग हैं जो प्रधानमंत्री जो का वो जो बनाया गया है म्यूजियम, तो उसमें केवल नेहरू जी का ही रहे, बाकी किसी का न रहे, ऐसा सोचते थे। जबकि चरण सिंह जी से लेकर वीपी सिंह तक का सबको वहां पर, अटल जी तक का सबको वहां पर किया गया, उसमें भी इन्होंने इसी प्रकार का विरोध किया था। और आज जब मूर्ति का केवल शिफ्ट किया जा रहा है, एक अच्छे स्थान पर उनको स्टैब्लिश किया जा रहा है
जी,
तब इस प्रकार की विरोध, ये कांग्रेस की जो मीन मेंटलिटी है, विपक्ष की जो छोटी सोच है, उसको दर्शाता है। ये केवल हंगामा पैदा करना चाहते हैं और ये सरकार को जानबूझकर अनावश्यक मसलों पर, जैसे इन्होंने कह दिया अफवाह उड़ा के कि संविधान बदलना चाहते हैं, वैसे अब ये मूर्ति को लेकर दूसरी अफवाह उड़ा रही। ये अफवाहों वाली कांग्रेस पार्टी है और विपक्ष है, इन पर अब जनता ध्यान नहीं।
मैं यही सवाल एक बार मणिकंठ टगोर से भी पूछ लेती हूँ ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी। सर, गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू एज वेल। द बीजेपी सेइंग दैट दिस इज जस्ट रूमर मongering on part of the Congress in the opposition. The relocation of the statues is now happening at a better place.
Where is the better place? The real statue of Gandhi ji was there in the main gate of the old parliament building, which is this. Now they have turned it as constitutional house. From there they had shifted that to the gate number near to the speaker's hall. Now they are taking to a corner where it has not been, it will not be visible itself. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Gandhi statues are not in the prominent places now. And it is not in the front of the Parliament House. It has gone to a corner where security baggage officers used to sit there. This shows the arrogance of Mr. Modi, and they are doing it in a time when there is the new Lok Sabha speaker will be elected. It shows their way of thinking that they can bulldoze anything. Even Gandhi and Baba Saheb Ambedkar will not also be spared on that thing. Their attitude shows their arrogance, and the arrogance is the problem here. There is no consultation with all other parties. There is no having a discussion with opposition parties on opposition floor leaders in the parliament. Everything is unilaterally done. It is done because they don't like Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. That's the reason they are taking to a corner of the parliament. And they are putting in the place where security gates are there.
All right, sir. Mr. Tagore, thank you very much. And Dinesh Sharma ji, to your point of view as well. Of course, both sides have been saying that this is an issue that is now being blown out of proportion. However, the Congress party says that the parties itself weren't consulted before taking such a move when it comes to the relocation of the statues in the Parliament complex.